Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Now today we are going to do a paper craft. We are going to make a caterpillar on a leaf. Now it needs green paper and literally that's about it. You just need green paper, glue and a tissue paper for the caterpillar. So here you see me that I have cut this paper into 4 different sizes. The fourth part we are not actually going to use. The 3 parts we are going to be using. One is for the leaf, one is for the stick on which the caterpillar is actually going to land, and the last part will be the loop where the stick would go through. So the leaf is the most intricate part because it has a bit of detail. So as you see, I just cut it into shape and then folded it to give that leaf kind of vein kind of structure. Then here you see me, I'm using, you can use a pencil of course, but I'm using the pen riffle to just help me make the stick a little more thin. If I was to do it straight away, I might not get as thin a stick as this is. And your main 2 parts are done. Now I'm going to use this thin stick to make yet another loop. Why did I use this and not the paper refill? Can anyone tell me? Alright, I'll tell you the answer. For this part, we needed the stick to go through the loop. You see over here? That is why I used the thin stick to make the loop and not the paper refill, because I wasn't sure of the size. The last comes the caterpillar, and I just used the refill again and just added it to the stick. Now it is very easy. Only this part is important, where the back of the caterpillar should be attached to the bigger loop and the front of the caterpillar should be attached to the thin stick. This will make sure that the caterpillar actually moves. Last comes the detail. Now you can use colors, you can use a different color of tissue paper. The idea behind using a tissue paper is these wrinkles that you see on its body. With a thinner paper, these wrinkles are the best. You can use a bamboo tissue paper or any other kind. You just try and see which way you like it better, and maybe you can share your comments below. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and tell me what next would you want me to make. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.